Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Style and Design with Raina. In this video, I will show you 22 flats collection. I absolutely love flat shoes and these shoes look so pretty and elegant in the wardrobe. 22 shoes give a very pretty and classy look when worn on the feet. Also, pointed flat shoes are easy to wear. You can wear them wherever you want to go. I hope you enjoyed my pointed flat shoes video. If you want more videos of pointed flat shoes, I will make them for you. Just let me know in the comments. And if you like my video, please like, comment and share. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.